Enter Billettluen's mobile portal at m.billetluen.dk. Enter your search term, in this instance the word mobile. Click Mobile Test under the heading Vega. Select the type and number of tickets. Select your delivery options. Select card type. Enter your card information. Press Confirm, and you've just bought a ticket through m.billetluen.dk.